I'm heavy too.
Shh. It's alright, Bluebell. Interrupted her watching TV now.
Who do you cook the 2 chicken breasts for? Because now Shannon's changed her mind and now she wants them.